Hello everybody, Skulls Crane Spotter 1999 here, and welcome, there's no sign, there it is, to South Kenton, situated on the London Underground network, the Bakerloo line and the Watford DC line, and also adjacent to us is the West Coast main line. There is 3238 departing for Harrow and Wealdstone from Elephant and Castle. So here at South Kenton you'll be seeing services by London Underground, London Overground, Virgin Trains, Southern, London Midlands, and if you're lucky, a bit of freight in the mix as well. So I've heard the station is absolutely fantastic. Like, obviously you've got a good vantage of a bit of everywhere. The only problem is that kind of mirror box, I guess. But yeah, I'm looking forward to doing this station. I've been wanting to do this station for a while because I remember seeing videos on it. Looks fantastic. Okay then, so let's see what shall arrive here at South Kenton. And actually what is arriving in now, as my eyes do not betray me, is the 1226 London Underground. That gave me a fright.
Is the Bakerloo line, service to Elephant and Castle.
There you go. But it's actually the 1226 Bakerloo line service to Elephant and Castle. So we have 32:55. With the driver giving me an absolute stare, thinking I'm a tube spotter. Well, I am spotting the tube, I guess. You're alright. You're alright. Yeah, and there you go.
The train now standing at
so, let's see what shall arrive and depart here at South Kenton then. As I've said twice, let's depart now. So, I think my head's going in a bit of a shamble. Just gonna say that. But I'm a little bit excited. That's why I'm a little bit excited, and that's a good thing to be a little bit excited. My mind's on more important things that are making me more excited. Yay! Yay! Let's all cheer yay for the reason that I'm excited. Ooh, I am looking forward. So the West Coast seems quiet, doesn't it, today? Maybe because I'm here. Okay, ready to pass through now is going to be a double-headed 350 bound for London Euston. Is it going to be 232? Yeah, that's what I've been looking for, 232 at Watford. So we have 350 125 and 350 129. And also we have a Virgin Pendolino ready to pass by. Speaking of the devil. $390,151 with a great little two-tone from the driver. Thank you very much. I imagine that's bound for Manchester Piccadilly. Piccadilly? So they're the first two trains on the West Coast main line that we've seen today. Pretty good. Okay then, down there we have a Virgin Pendolino ready to zoom past. And the sun's out and shiny, and my eyes are killing me. $390, $130. Sparking decently, and with a Voyager ready to pass by as well. I imagine from Chester or Holyhead. $221, $112. Let's just step behind this little whatever it is thingy, and as it goes down in the distance to Euston. Okay, ready to pass by now is going to be a London Midland 350 on the slow line, so I imagine it might just be on Milton Keynes or even Tring. Thought there was a photographer here. So we have 350, 374 bound for Milton Keynes. And also behind us we have a London Underground Bakerloo service ready to arrive in, but I'm not going to get that yet because it's quite a far way down still. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 12:36 London Underground Bakerloo line service to Harrow and Wealdstone. We have 3560. Wait. Oh, they changed numbers on the back. Oh, well, we got a race. We have 390, 050 with 350, 243. Absolutely getting overtaken. There is them two. I'm not even going to get the numbers of these now because they're going to just wipe me, because there's like two ends and they're pretty much the same. So yeah, that is pretty annoying, unfortunately. We should have, down there we have the Bakerloo service for Elephant and Castle ready to arrive in, but I'll catch that when it does. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the London Underground Bakerloo line service to Elephant and Castle via Marylebone and Paddington. I wonder what that number is. 204 mean. And even the driver's staring at me like, what are you actually doing?
The train now standing at platform 1 is the Bakerloo.
Okay, ready to go now is going to be the London Underground Bakerloo line service to Elephant and Castle from Harrow and Wealdstone. Also, we have a Virgin Trains Pendolino ready to pass by. Woohoo! I love the sound of that! But the problem with that one was it was 39127, which is my stalker. Been stalking me for quite a while now, and actually about the time now that's probably the express to Glasgow Central, and now there's a wasp going round me. I don't want to have a Stockport incident. Okay, a London Midland 350 is engaged in a race with a London Overground 378 and is winning. So we have a double set. We have 350, 377 and 128 off to London Euston. And on the fast line, so I imagine it came from Crewe or Birmingham New Street. Most likely Birmingham New Street. Here we have 378 to, or Z, that looked like Z14, but it's 214. That's just arrived in from London, I was going to say London Waterloo then, from Watford Junction, and arriving in is 378-209, I think it is. Let me just have a little check. Yep, that's off to Watford Junction. That's the 12:22 service. This is the 12:21, which is ready to depart now. And also we have the 12:22 London Overground service to Watford Junction now departing off now. It's a problem with these sort of stations. You have no idea what the stock is because you're used to 319s. Hey! At least 319s are Hellfire. They're not really Hellfire. You'll never beat the Hellfireness of 319s, especially the Motor Thrash. Oh. Okay, passing through now is going to be a London Midland 350 for London Euston 350, 373. I think that's from Crewe compared to the Birmingham New Street one that departed. Well, went past here just before. Oh yeah, and just to mention, I've had a look on the thing, and it was actually the 1241 and 42, not the 1221 and 12. Yeah, my mind is actually in much better places at the moment, I'm sorry. So, yeah, if the quality of the video is bad, I'm sorry. But we have 350 to 54. Going to Tring. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 12:45 London Underground Bakerloo line service to Harrow and Wealdstone from Elephant and Castle. And doors open. Okay, ready to depart now is going to be the 12:45 London Underground Bakerloo line service to, I was going to say Watford Junction then, but it's actually going to Harrow and Wealdstone, and it's from Elephant and Castle. Yeah, these underground places are absolutely annoying because I have no idea about the Bakerloo line. And also just down there is going to be another London Underground Bakerloo line service for Elephant and Castle from Harrow and Wealdstone. But is there anything behind me? No. And as this arrives in, this is the 12:46 London Underground Bakerloo line service to Elephant and Castle. As you can say, it says Bakerloo line. It says 246 on a digital display. Okay, departing now is going to be the 12:46 London Underground Bakerloo line service to Elephant and Castle. Okay, ready to pass through now is going to be a Virgin Pendo. Oh, is it going to be two? Oh, there's a crossover. There's going to be two Virgin Pendos then. So we have 390 107. God, the mix of speed then, that made one hell of a roar. I think that was 125. I think it was 390 125. I know that was 107 because, oh god, is that fog or is that's rain? Great, I'm gonna get in for an absolute wet ride today. Fantastic. Okay, rising out of the rain is gonna be another 390 Pendolino for London Euston. £391.13. And okay, we have Virgin Voyager ready to pass by for so we have 106 and 105 for Edinburgh via Birmingham. Okay, now ready to pass by is going to be a Virgin Pendolino for London Euston. £390.011. And if you're wondering what that smoke is, there's just a few people burning some stuff, so I'm not really interested in that. And also we have a 350 ready to pass by on the fast line, so I imagine it's bound for Birmingham or Crewe. Did I say Milton Keynes Central? If it's bound for MK, then can it be on the slow line? I think it's actually bound for Birmingham New Street, actually. Okay, arriving in to platform 1 is going to be the 12:56 London Underground Bakerloo line service to Elephant and Castle. And with the guy doing the right thing and putting the wipers on.
The train now standing at platform 1 is the Bakerloo line service.
And we also have a Pendolino ready to pass by. Let's just view it coming in here. And also the 12:56 London Underground Bakerloo line service is now off to Elephant and Castle. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 12:57 London Underground Bakerloo line service to Harrow and Wealdstone. And also we have a London Midland 350 ready to pass by. That was 350 122 off to Birmingham New Street. With also this London Underground service bound for Harrow and Wealdstone. Okay, London Underground Bakerloo line service is now departing for Harrow and Wealdstone.
Queen's Park, Kilburn High Road, South Hampstead and Euston.
Station I'll need to go to is Bethnal Green, because that's like this station, except with Bethnal Green, like this is like the West Anglia main line, which is a lot busier, and then you've also got the Great Eastern main line right next to it. I'll probably do that with Stratford, which I'd like that. That'd be a good time. I thought someone was calling my name then. Okay, ready to pass through now is going to be a London Midland 350 for London Euston, possibly from Cring or Milton Keynes Central. So we have 350 108. And 350 117 bound for London Euston. And also arriving in now is going to be a 378 forming the 1301 London Overground service to London Euston. So we have 378202 leading it on its way to London Euston. Something we've not seen in this video yet as well. Southern. Do you think they've all cancelled? Yeah, I do anyway. Okay, departing now is going to be 378202 with the 1301 London Overground service to London Euston. And also arriving in as that departs, we have the 1302 London Overground service to Watford Junction, as well as that. Oh. I'll have to interrupt you, Mr. 378, because Mr. Pendolino is ready to pass by off to Euston. 390 124, and also we have 378 232 arriving in. Off to Watford Junction for the 1302 service. And it's starting to get pretty cold now. Okay, now behind the box we have London Midland 350. .350 130 for Northampton. On the slow line again.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the Bakerloo line.
God, this station is actually quite crazy, you know. It's actually really busy, and 378 232 is now departing with the 1302 London Overground service to Watford Junction. And also we have our first Southern 377 of this video, with its brother ready to pass it. So we have 377. .707 for East Croydon from Milton Keynes Central. And as that goes ahead, we should have a few more Pendolinos, and I might just conclude the video there. Okay, arriving in now is going to be the London Underground Bakerloo line service to Elephant and Castle. It's going to be the 1306 service, so there should be a crossover in a minute. With another one which is nowhere to be seen. The first driver who hasn't stared at me. I like him. It smells quite electrical fire. Okay, departing now is going to be the Welland. Yeah, I think that's got a Chanel electrical fire. That's a new scent by Chanel, electrical fire, because that smells tidy, doesn't it? Good God, Amy, good God. So that's the 1306, and also the other 1306 is down there. You're late, mate. Oh yeah, it is London Underground, so you do expect it to be a little bit late. Okay, we've got a few trains passing. We've got a 390 Pendolino, I think. Mr. Chavfan's UK, Mr. Chavfan UK's train, 390 010. I imagine bound back for Manchester Piccadilly. And also crawling very, very slowly is a double pairing of 350s. And let's just have a little status. Oh, you can't see it, can you? That's fine, we'll just keep tabs on here. Hello. How are you doing, Mr. Driver? Could have a conversation with him, actually, I should do. Hey, driver, speed up. 350 242 leading it, with 350 376 on the rear. I imagine this is from Tring or Birmingham New Street, actually. Could be possible. And also arriving in is going to be the 1306 London Underground Bakerloo service to Harrow and Wealdstone. Thank you, Mrs. Announcer. Oh my lord. I'm going to have a good sleep tonight, I think. God, I thought that was Trevor McDonald on the train, but that's just me. My eyes are betraying me again. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1306 London Underground Bakerloo line service to Harrow and Wealdstone, or Wealdstone, whatever you say. You know me, I'm a Scouser, so I don't live around here. I'm not a Cockney. And something behind us is, I think it's a Southern 377 for Milton Keynes Central. Yes, it is, from East Croydon. 377-704. And also we have another Virgin Trains Pendolino passing by for London Euston. Whoa, my God! Something you never expect, a crossover. Good God. Well, no, that was 390-148. And I think I'm having heart failure. Yeah, I think my heart's beating in a weird beat. It's like beep, 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 beep. It doesn't. Well done, train. Okay, I'm gonna say this is the final train of the day. So the final train of the day is going to be a London Midland 350. Bound for, actually no, it's going to be the Pendolino, which is leading it. So we have 350-43 for Kring, and then following it and catching it is going to be 390-002. And as they go to the different destinations, I shall conclude the video at South Kenton here. So thank you for watching. I do hope you have enjoyed it. I really have enjoyed it here. If you have enjoyed it, please do like and subscribe. It would be appreciated greatly. Any comments, questions, or anything about my channel, any station recommendations, station recommendations, and also guess what's coming? Another 350. Please be 232. Oh. Well, it's 110, so I guess that's alright. So yeah, my next station's going to be Broads Green, back at home. Okay, we have 2 Bakerloo line services for the London Underground, so I'll record these as well coming in. I think someone's getting a cab ride. Lucky sod. So yeah, these two arriving, and as I was saying, this station's actually really good, and I've really enjoyed it. Like, it's good to see the undergrounds up close and personal. Also, it's good to see the Pendolinos on like the fast bits, because this station's been really good. I'm actually really surprised that this station's been this good, considering it's a small like little island platform station. It's pretty good, and these two are now departing. That one for Harrow and Wealdstone, and that one for Elephant and Castle. So yes, so with that going, I shall be going myself. So goodbye guys, and I shall see you all in Broad Green next time. Bye all.